This video walks you through how to use Notion formulas for beginners. Start by opening the Notion database where you want the formula to live. This can be any database where you want values to update based on other properties. Once you are inside the correct database, look across the property row for the plus button used to add a new property. Click that plus button, then choose Formula as the property type. This creates a new column in the database that will calculate values instead of storing manual entries. After the property appears, click on the formula property itself and select Edit Formula. That opens the Formula Editor, which is where you will enter and test the expression you want Notion to use. Inside the editor, type your formula directly into the formula field. If you prefer, you can also build it by selecting from the available properties and functions shown in the editor. Properties let you pull data from other columns in the same database, while functions help you change, compare, or combine that data. As you enter the formula, pay attention to the exact property names and the structure of the expression, since small differences in spelling or punctuation can affect the result. Once the formula is entered, look at the preview section. This area shows the output that Notion expects to return based on the current formula. Use that preview to check whether the result matches what you intended. If the output does not look right, or if Notion flags an issue, return to the formula and review it carefully. Correct any syntax errors or logic problems until the formula validates successfully. A syntax error usually means something in the structure is incomplete or formatted incorrectly. A logic issue means the formula runs, but the result is not what you expected. In either case, keep adjusting the formula in the editor and checking the preview until the output matches the calculation you want. When the formula is validating correctly, close the formula editor. Closing the editor applies the formula to the database. At that point, the formula property becomes active across all the items in that database using the expression you just created. Finish by verifying the results in the database itself. Look down the formula column and confirm that Notion is automatically calculating values for each item. The exact result will depend on the properties and functions used in your formula. But the key thing to confirm is that the values are being generated automatically and consistently for the database entries. Your Notion formula is now saved and calculating values across your database.